Do you really think that the world can exist without an engineer? Let me tell you one thing. I am an engineer and I can proudly say that yes, I am an engineer. Because science is about knowing, but engineering is about doing. On the occasion of Engineers Day, I am wishing you very happy Engineers Day. As we all know that every year on 15th of September, Engineers Day is celebrated to recognize the efforts of engineers who have made our lives easier with their innovations and ideas. Engineers Day is particularly celebrated on September 15 to mark the birth anniversary of India's greatest engineer, Bharat Ratna, Shri Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya, who was born in 1860, and he was the one of the great engineer of our India. On the occasion of Engineers Day, today I am here with one new poem which is specially written for those engineers who dare to change the world. Because an engineer dares to change the world, and the title of this poem is An Engineer's Dare to Change the World. An engineer dares to change the world. Feel proud to be an engineer because you are a real gold. Feel proud to be an engineer because you are a real gold. An engineer dares to change the world. An engineer dares to change the world. We are engineers. Say thanks to God. Yes, dear engineers, we are engineers. Say thanks to God. We must sharp our skills and no need to be fraud and no need to be fraud. We dare to change the world with our dedication and art. We dare to change the world with our dedication and art. We stand for you in sunshine, so that you can have your own comfort. So that you can have your own comfort. I can say that without engineers, nothing is possible in this world. Because without engineers, every machine would not have been made. Without engineers, every machine would not have been made. We can proudly say that all engineers are great. We can proudly say that all engineers are great. Without engineers, nobody would have been able to fly. Yes, without engineers, nobody would have been able to fly. Because of an engineer, we all are able to touch the sky. We all are able to touch the sky. Without engineers, nobody would have been able to construct home. Without engineers, nobody would have been able to construct home. We are designer, surveyor, and real architectural epitome. Real architectural epitome. Without engineers, nobody would have been able to communicate with long distance. Yes, I can proudly say like that. Without engineers, nobody would have been able to communicate with long distance. Dear engineers, feel proud of you because you bring love and nearness. Because you bring love and nearness. Dear listener, let me tell you one thing. Dear listener, let me tell you one thing. From television to satellite, from television to satellite and mobile phone to an aeroplane. From television to satellite and mobile phone to an aeroplane, we engineers dare to mitigate the disaster, and that we claim, An engineer plays a major role in the development and growth of nation. Yes, an engineer plays a major role in the development and growth of nation. Engineers' skill can change the world by their unique creation, We engineers work worldwide in various disciplines with living an impact. Yes, we engineers work worldwide in various disciplines while living an impact. Respect all engineers. Because of them, you are having your life comfort. Because of them, you are having your life comfort. At last, I am saying you one thing. If you travel by airways, say thanks to an engineer. If you are travel by airways, say thanks to an engineer. If you travel by roadways, say thanks to an engineer. If you travel by waterways, then say thanks to an engineer. Because of an engineer, the world exists and we all. I am saying to you, an engineer dares to change the world. An engineer dares to change the world. God bless you, dear engineers. May God bless you.